Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm so excited because I am trying my hand at making homemade butter. I've never done it before. So if you want to see how I made homemade butter for the first time, just keep watching. The fun fact is the only ingredient that you're going to need is heavy whipping cream. That's it. So just keep watching and see how I made homemade butter for the first time. So right here, I have my stand mixer with the whisk attachment on. I'm going to just pour in a container of heavy whipping cream. I think it was 64 ounces, but the whole container I poured in, and I just started my whisk attachment, started my mixer on about 3 to 4 speed, and I just continued to let it whip until it turned into butter. So the funny part about this is, as you see here, it has already separated the buttermilk from the butter. This took about at least 15 minutes or more. I can't remember the exact time, but it's like you can hear the change. You can hear when the buttermilk and the butter separate. So another problem that I was struggling with at first was to wash it. I didn't really fully understand how to wash the butter to get the rest of the buttermilk off, but now I got it. You just keep washing it in clean water until the water runs clear instead of cloudy like you see here, but you just keep wringing out all the water. And once all the water is gone, that's the fun part. You can add your mix-ins, your herbs, your salt, whatever. And then the excess buttermilk I just saved to make homemade ranch and buttermilk biscuits at the house. So it really is two different things that you're getting from this whole process: your buttermilk that's homemade, and then your homemade butter. So here I wanted to kind of do half salted and half unsalted, but then in the end I just decided to make this batch just salted. So again, the next time I make it, I'm excited to do different add-ins like herbs, more seasonings, more flavors, just to make different compound butters. And so I'm really excited, but it was just a really fun and simple process. I can't wait to make more, but for my first time, I think I did very well. The next video that I will be uploading will be the video of how I made my homemade French bread that paired perfectly with this butter. And it didn't even last that long in my house because we love butter here. So just to see that you make something homemade from your heart, from love, and then just to see that your family enjoys it always puts a smile on my face. So that's it, guys, for this video. There isn't nothing to really put in the description box for ingredients because it literally is just heavy whipping cream and then whatever you want to put in your butter. Herbs, salt, no salt, it's whatever you want. But yeah, that's it. So drop in the comments below, what do you think I should add into my butter next time? But until next time, guys, you guys be blessed, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.